If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in GPT Store in OpenAI, you're going to see one of the results there, depending on when you see this video, called Introducing the GPT Store by OpenAI. And it's here where OpenAI will explain basically an area of custom coding for OpenAI that will allow you to get access to unique connections to ChatGPT and the GPT engine, in addition to having your own GPT in the store for monetization purposes. And those that do create a GPT for the GPT store, as of the recording of this session, will be paid according to the user engagement on their GPTs. So it's a good idea to explore the nature of the current GPTs that are available, as well as the method for creating and uploading your own GPT to the GPT store and giving others access to it for revenue opportunities. Now, there's a video course that will explain the GPT creation and configuration process. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.